Welcome to our comparison of the ROVE R2-4K DUAL Dash Cam and the DELLFY Dash Cam. In today's video, we will explore the key features of both products, including their recording capabilities, included storage, and app functionalities. With so many options available, it's essential to find the right dash cam that suits your needs. Let's dive in. The ROVE R2-4K features a 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, providing excellent clarity for your recordings. In contrast, the DELLFY Dash Cam also offers 4K for the front, but boasts a higher 2.5K resolution for the rear camera. This difference could be significant for users who prioritize rear footage quality. When it comes to storage, the ROVE R2-4K includes a generous 128GB micro SD card, allowing for extended recording times without the need for immediate offloading. On the other hand, the DELLFY Dash Cam comes with a smaller 32GB card, which may require more frequent management of recorded footage. Both dash cams come with mobile apps for managing recordings, but the ROVE app is known for its advanced features and user-friendly interface, making it easier to download and manage footage. The DELLFY app, while functional, may not offer the same level of performance or features as its competitor. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and the DELLFY Dash Cam have their strengths and weaknesses. The ROVE offers superior rear recording resolution and storage, while the DELLFY provides a more affordable option. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.